try and take punt back. I got punt back. It's on Nudie. Blooms. Red. There's a few people in the middle there. Make room for them. Make room for them. Yeah, nice. Okay. Good work, guys. Yeah, nice joker. Can we make a? Can you go to the back there, Stevie, where Joker was? Perhaps the boss. Yeah, swap with Joko there.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, yeah. You can't reach the boss.
It's hard, so I have to be minimum here.
Somebody move me. Yep. Oh, I'm trying to. Okay, no cleave, no cleave. There they are. They're on. It looks like a hunter. No, it's a shaman. No, paladin. Okay. Can you do grounding? Oh, can you do? There's no grounding in this group. Spike size 1 on left. Finish them off, guys. Watch for those shadow spikes. Look for them. There's on the left-hand side there. At the back there. At the back. Splits. Nope. One in melee. It's on Airy Bob, I think. Okay, I got hodged, but it's okay. Good to spell. Stack up behind. Blue spread. Okay, blue spread. Orborn right. Blooms. Move back in if you do not have bloom. Next ability will be Flame Dart, then a possible Bloom or Darkness. If it's Bloom, so after the thing here, loose spread. Loose spread. It could be Bloom or it could be Darkness. Okay, it's Darkness. Stack up. Sorry, it's a bit late. I was doing it right. That's right. Spread out. It's going to do Bloom after the darts in 2, 1. No, you don't have to go that far. But I guess it works. Works. Whatever. The darts into bloom. It's probably one play in between. There's the bloom. Stack back up.
Just get good, Nudie.
Okay, don't move so far away. Move a bit closer to bloom so that you don't have this far a distance to run back in. Move spread, little spread, little spread. Just a little one. Just a little one. Could do bloom or it could do shield. Okay. Okay, shield. Come in, come in, come in. Shield. Okay, back to original positions. 3%, no cleave. Original positions. 3%, no cleave. Watch for these ads. They're coming in 2, 1. There they are. It's on a priest. Need dispel. Lusts on all group. Watch for spikes. You can swipe these if you want here. That's great. So, swipe the outs. There's no blade.
But I'm lost. I cannot find
5 seconds of shadow spikes. Let's get these sinister reflections down. Nice work. Finish off the boss. Stack point. Stack point. Stack point. I'm not close. Don't know if I got everyone. Loose spread, back to original positions. Okay, I'll get you in a second. Okay, blooms, stay away from Harry Bob if you can. Yeah.
There's still an orb. It's coming across to the right, if anyone's over there.
Okay, new blooms or darkness coming. Watch your feet. Oh, I just blinked into that. Okay, get in, guys, get in.
Need lanterns.
Let's.
Reggie is so fucked. Nice. Stay here a second. Now spread. It's alright, it's alright. Got the breath out. Spread. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. There's one at the back there on the right with a healer. There's a warlock not moving. I don't know what warlock is.
Got it.
Freedom in.
Oh, okay.
Hellstones, guys. Okay. Bloom or darkness coming in 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready to stack up if you're not a bloom target.
Find shield.
Come in.
Shield.
I got the breath out beforehand, so you should have that. Got 4% regional positions. Gotta push it.
Shield north, so.
Yep, kill shield. Watch your feet. No cleave. Get rid of blooms if you can. Just get rid of the damage. Dart, we have 16 seconds. 3 orbs up. Left hand side has 2. Armageddon's up. 1%. There it is. There's the ads. I can't help you with these ones left. Is that a melee? Yeah, it's a warrior.
melee.
Stay the fuck away from it. Melee, get the fuck away from it. Cleave, please. Cleave hard. Cast it. V-res if possible on any DPS.
Caleb?
Dodge spikes. Look for spikes. Just do your B-res now. Yeah. Do other B-res if possible.
Yeah, both got
Yeah,
done.
they're up. Cool.
The nightmare is over.
Okay, I'll get
The spell
one of
is
the orbs.
broken. Goodbye, Caleb, my
Left when
love.
you can, you get the orb. I'll do first shield.
Need some more damage on the ads so I can
More
get
damage on ads, yep. Cleave them down. It's fine, I'll get the first orb anyway. Just gotta finish them off, guys. Stay spread. Stack. I'll do first. Move to the right.
Find shield. Shield.
My shield. You breathe. Move right again. Shani, right. Go right again. Keep going right. Loose spread. Just keep going around. Loose spread. Go right again. This is going to be left behind's orb. Oh, shield, sorry. Spreads. Hellstones. That was bad. Spread out, guys. Spread out. Like,
Shield.
stack up in 2, 1. Left, this is your shield. Do it now.
Shield.
Move right. Move immediately. Move. Just spread out in this, like, in your normal, formation. Just spread out in that group. Like, loosely where you are. I'll do the shield on the next one. Harry will go left, yep.
Find shield.
Okay, this is my shield coming into me on the right hand side of the melee stack. Stack now. Get in. If you've got bloom, get in. You're gonna die. Okay. Finish it off, guys. I'm gonna get a new orb. Can I get a freedom? No, never mind. I didn't get the. Keep spread, guys. Hellstones.
Find shield.
So this is going to be left behind shield. Do shield now if you can.
Shield.
Spread.
Move right.
This will be my shield. Left. You've got one more thing on the back left. There's a orb on the back left.
Yep.
Come left a little bit.
Find
Come.
shield.
I'll go to the group.
Oh, boys.
Nice, guys.
Girls.
Fuck's sake.
Big
Yeah, solid.
Thank
Fucking nailed it.
Good job.
I don't know how the fuck we start so fucking terribly and I'm so fucking dejected and then we're
What a
like
fucking
one-shot the
night.
hardest fucking bosses
What a
and then we do
fucking-
like a couple of good attempts like that.
Well, usually we fucking start good and get shit. This time we switch things up, you see.